welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth and I will show you how to make polka dot mask. It's very cute mask. I hope you like it. Now we'll prepare the material and now let's get started. The materials are fabric, elastic, scissor, thread and needle, plate, ruler, marker, safety pin, and paper. The first step, you prepare the plate with the diameter 26 cm and you copy on the paper and then you cut. And then you fold and you fold again. This is the center. From the center you take 4 cm and this is 8 cm. And you take a plate again and you connect from here to here. And this line you cut. Cut this line. And this is the pattern. Copy the pattern on the polka dot fabric twice. This one. This twice. The good side face the good side. And then you skew here and start sewing from here to the next corner. Do the same process with the other side, like this. And then you open and you put together. This is the seam line here. And you start sewing from here. Keep sewing to the next corner. And you start sewing from here. Keep sewing to here and give space. It's about 7 centimeters. Okay. From here, and after you sewing, you turn the fabric inside out like this. This is you skew with a straight pin and you start sewing from here. Keep sewing to the next corner and you start sewing from here. Keep sewing to the next corner and then you fold this one and you sew from here to here, like this. Yeah. Do the same process the other side. Prepare the elastic, it's about 20 centimeter. Put the safety pin and insert the elastic through the fabric, like this, and do the same process with the other side. And now the polka dot mask has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.